Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is composting of solid wastes. Composting means a mixture. A mixture that consists largely of decayed organic matter, largely of decayed organic matter and is used for fertilizing and conditioning land and is used for fertilizing and conditioning land. Composting of solid waste is similar to sanitary landfilling. Similar to sanitary land filling yields a stable end product, yields a stable end product, good soil conditioner and maybe good soil conditioner and maybe use it as base for use it as base for fertilizers. Popular in developing countries, popular in developing countries, decomposable organic matter is separated and composted. Decomposable organic matter is separated and composted. There are two methods of composting. Number first is open window composting and number second is mechanical composting. Open window composting. Refuse is placed in piles. In open window composting, refuse is placed in piles. Refuse means worthless or useless part of something, that means garbage, trash, etc. And piles means a heap of things laid, a heap of things laid or lying one on top of another. Lying one on top of another, on top of another. Refuse is placed in piles about 1.5 meter high and 2.5 meter wide and 2.5 meter wide at about 60% moisture content, at about 60% moisture content. Heat built up in the refuse piles due to biological activity. Due to biological activity, temperature rises about 70 degrees centigrade. Rises about 70 degree centigrade. Pile is turned up for cooling. Pile is turned up for cooling and aeration to avoid anaerobic conditions and aeration to avoid anaerobic conditions. Moisture content is adjusted to about 60%. Moisture content is adjusted to about 60%. Pilot again temperature rises to about pilot again temperature rises to about 70 degrees centigrade. Rises to about 70 degree centigrade. The above operations are repeated. The above operations are repeated. After a few days, 7 to 10 weeks temperature. After a few days, 7 to 10 weeks. Seven to 10 weeks temperature drops to atmospheric temperature. Indication of stabilization of composting. Indication of stabilization of composting. Number second method is mechanical composting. Mechanical composting. Process of stabilization is expedited by mechanical devices. Expedited by mechanical devices of turning the compost Number second, compost is stabilized in about 1 to 2 weeks. Compost is stabilized in about 1 to 2 weeks. Number second. Number third, to enrich compost, night soil, cow dung, etc. To enrich compost, night soil, cow dung, etc. are added to the refuse or added to the refuse. Number third, number fourth, usually done in compost pits, usually done in compost pits. Arrangements for draining of excess moisture. Number fifth, arrangements for draining of excess moisture are provided at the base of the pits, are provided at the base of the pits. Number six, at the bottom of the pit, a layer of ash ground, a layer of ash. At the bottom of the pit, a layer of ash ground, limestone or loamy soil is placed. Loamy soil is placed to neutralize acidity in the compost. To neutralize acidity in the compost. Material and providing an alkaline medium for microorganisms and alkaline medium for microorganisms. Number six. Number seven, the pit is filled by alternate layers of the pit is filled by alternate layers of refuse, that is night soil or cow dung, night soil or cow dung, laid over it and thin layers, laid over it in thin layers. Number seven. Number eight, material is turned every 5 days or so. Material is turned every 5 days or so. Number 9, after 30 days it is ready for use. After 30 days it is ready for use. So this is all about the composting of solid wastes. Thank you.